Hello everyone. Look at that guys, snowing again. Winter is back. Another day, another vlog, another winter. Another snow. Look at this. Wow. Ano ba? Ano ba talaga? Ha? Ano ba talaga? Mag-grow na ng mga grass, guys. It's turning greenish. Opo. It's garbage day today. Look at this. Yahoo! Wala nang katapusan. Talaga hindi alam kung ano na talaga, guys. Hindi alam talaga ano na. Talaga weather talaga, guys. Oh lala. Nagbabago na talaga ang panahon, guys. Alright. Update lang, guys. Update ang weather. We're almost middle of April. So it's still like this. Tinapon ng chair. Pop doll. Tinapon na ng chair, sayang. Kunin natin. Thank you for watching, guys. Update lang. Alright. Ang ganda. Oh lala. Tulo ulit ang uhog ko Ay. I have sipon. Ay hirap tanggalin ng sipon. Tawid na tayo. Let's go walking. This street is busy street, guys. Only one way. Only one way pataas. Lahat dito dumadaan. Pinaka ano niyan. Second busy street. Paprose na naman kayo. Sige. Thank you guys for watching.